Getting a car loan with bad credits. Aside from a home, a car is usually the most expensive single purchase someone can make. Because of this, it is baffling how many car buyers are willing to jump straight into a deal, and potentially a bad deal, just because they like a car. It is vital that you prepare for this purchase, make sure you can afford it, and receive the best deal possible. Even if you have bad credit, getting a good car loan may not be out of reach. Your first step should be getting your credit report and learning your credit scores through the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. It's important to know where you stand and how lenders will see you with regards to your credit history. Additionally, you'll want to make sure that there aren't any errors on your credit report, as these could make a difference in approval or denial for financing. If you find any errors, dispute them immediately. Then, you may want to wait until errors have been purged from your record before you jump into a car loan. It's also a good idea to reduce some of your current debt before entering into a new car loan. Firstly, you'll be more likely to get approved for financing, and secondly, those monthly car payments may be less of a burden if you have fewer payments to make on other debts. If possible, focus on paying off some of your debts with the smallest balances while still making payments on the others before you apply for a bad credit car loan. Looking into potential offers from different lenders and dealers may be a great way to find out what you can realistically expect from those offers. It could also be a great way to comparison shop. Remember, while you're car shopping, you hold all the power. You can walk away at any time, even if you are being pushed to stay. You could also consider applying through federalautoloan.com. We will work with lenders and dealers across the nation, many of who specialize in bad credit car loans. After you apply, we'll send your application off to our network and try to connect you with lenders and dealers who want to earn your business and work with you towards car loan approval. With the help of federalautoloan.com, you could be closer to the car and the loan you need. federalautoloan.com. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.